Do you know how to conversation with a police officer? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Fluently, the channel where you learn practical English for real-life situations. Before we begin today's lesson, I have a small request for you. If you enjoy learning English and want to speak more confidently, please subscribe to this channel and support our community. Your support helps us create more helpful English lessons for you. All right, let's begin today's topic. Today, we're going to learn how to have a conversation with a police officer in English. This is a very important real-life situation. Sometimes you may need to talk to the police when you are traveling, when you need help, when you lose something, or when a police officer stops you on the road. For many English learners, this situation can feel stressful or uncomfortable. But don't worry. If you know some simple sentences and stay calm, you can communicate politely and confidently. So today, we will learn useful English sentences, simple dialogues, and tips for speaking politely with a police officer. Let's start with the most important rule. Number 1. Always be calm and polite. When you talk to a police officer, the most important thing is to stay calm and respectful. Even if you feel nervous, try to speak clearly and politely. You can start your conversation with simple, polite greetings like, "Good morning, officer." "Good afternoon, officer." "Good evening, officer." These greetings show respect and make the conversation friendly. You can also say, "Hello, officer. How can I help you?" Or, "Excuse me, officer. I need some help." Using polite words like please, sorry, and thank you makes your English sound more natural and respectful. When a police officer stops you, sometimes a police officer may stop you on the road while you are driving or walking. Don't panic, just stay calm and answer politely. For example, "Officer, good evening, may I see your identification?" You can reply, "Of course, officer, here is my ID." Or, "Sure, officer, here is my driver's license." If the officer asks you a question, answer clearly and honestly. "Officer, where are you going?" You can say, "I'm going home," or "I'm going to work," or "I'm visiting a friend." Keep your answers simple and clear. Asking the police for help. Sometimes you may need help from the police. For example, you might be lost or you might need directions. In this situation, you can politely ask for help. You can say, "Excuse me, officer, could you please help me?" Or, "Excuse me, officer, I'm looking for this address." Another example, "Officer, could you tell me how to get to the nearest hospital?" Or, "Officer, can you help me find the train station?" Most police officers are there to help people, so don't be afraid to ask politely. If you don't understand, sometimes the officer may speak quickly or use words you don't understand. That is completely okay. You can politely ask the officer to repeat. For example, "Sorry, officer, could you please repeat that?" Or, "Sorry, I didn't understand. Could you say that again?" Another helpful sentence is, "Could you please speak a little slower?" This is a very useful sentence for English learners. Remember, it is always better to ask politely if you don't understand. Reporting a problem. Sometimes you may need to talk to the police because something bad happened. For example, you lost your wallet, your phone was stolen, or you saw something suspicious. In this situation, you can say, "Officer, I need to report a problem." Or, "Officer, I lost my wallet." Or, "Officer, someone stole my phone." The police officer may ask questions like, "When did it happen? Where did it happen? Can you describe what happened?" try to answer calmly and clearly. Example conversation, asking for directions. Let's look at a simple conversation example. Excuse me, officer, could you help me? Yes, how can I help you? I'm looking for the city library. The library is 2 blocks ahead, then turn left. Thank you very much, officer. You're welcome. This is a simple and polite conversation. Now, let's look at another example. Good evening. May I see your driver's license? Sure, officer. Here is my license. Do you know why I stopped you? No, officer. Could you please tell me? You were driving a little too fast. I'm sorry, officer. I will be more careful. Please slow down next time. Yes, officer. Thank you. Important polite words. Let's review some important polite words. Please, sorry, excuse me, thank you. These small words make a big difference in conversations. For example, excuse me, officer. Please help me. Sorry, I didn't understand. Thank you for your help. Using these words shows respect and good manners. Tips for speaking confidently. Here are a few tips to help you speak confidently with a police officer. First, speak slowly and clearly. Second, stay calm and polite. Third, listen carefully before answering. Fourth, use simple sentences. And finally, practice these conversations often. The more you practice English, the more confident you will become. Practice speaking. Now, I want you to practice with me. Repeat these sentences after me. Excuse me, officer. Could you help me? I'm looking for this address. Sorry, I didn't understand. Thank you for your help. Practicing aloud will improve your speaking skills. Conclusion. So today we learned how to have a conversation with a police officer in English. We learned how to greet politely, ask for help, answer questions, and speak respectfully. Remember, the key is to stay calm, be polite, and speak clearly. With practice, you will feel more confident speaking English in real-life situations. Thank you so much for watching Speak English Fluently. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to improve your English speaking skills, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Keep practicing English every day, and step by step, you will speak English fluently. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.